The next one is genotype. Look at genotype or genotype. Genotype is the genetic makeup. Genetic what? Makeup of and what? Of a living organism, or the set of what? Of component of gene, or the genetic what? Makeup possessed by what? By a living organism is called what? Is called genotype. And which is responsible for the what? For the trait or character possessed by a living organism. Genotype is the one that is responsible for the what? For the trait or character or behavior possessed by what? By a living organism. The character possessed by a living organism or the structure possessed by a living organism is controlled by what? By what? By genotype. Genotype is a genetic makeup or component, genetic makeup or component possessed by a what? By a living what? Organism, and is the one that is what? Determine or control the shape and the character and behavior of what? Of living organism, the genotype. And this genotype is the one that also what? Influence or control what we call what? Phenotype. Phenotype. The phenotype is also controlled by what? By the what? Genotype. And the next one is what? Is genotype. Is phenotype, sorry. What is phenotype? Phenotype is what? Is the outward appearance, or is the physical appearance possessed by a living what? Organism. The outward appearance or the physical appearance possessed by what? By living organism, we call it what? Genotype. We call it phenotype. The phenotype is what? Is genetic what? No, is the outward. This is genotype. I said genotype is what? Genetic makeup. The genotype is what? Genetic what? Make what? Makeup. But look at phenotype. The what? Phenotype is the what? Physical. Physical what? Appearance of living organism. So the outward appearance possessed by a living organism is called phenotype, but the component of the gene which determine or which control the outward appearance is what? Is genotype. And it's genotype. And this phenotype is controlled by what? By gene and environment influence. Yes. So these are the two factors that control what? Or determine the what? The phenotype. We have about what? Environment, influence, and what? And the what? Genotype. So those are the two things that is what control the what? The phenotype of what? A living organism. The environment factor and a gene factor. So that is what? The genotype and what? And phenotype. And the next one is what? Is dominant gene and a recessive gene.